I will talk about how can you disable priority notifications on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you come here to priority notifications here, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean priority notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.